had missed items, had to shift a little bit, could fall out. Have a connecting flight. We invite you out to that terminal, check the TV monitors for your flight and gate number, and as always, it's a pleasure to spend, well, part of our day with you. We know you have a whole bunch of choices when you fly. Thanks so much for choosing us here. And the weekend has finally arrived. Hip hip hooray. Hope you're going to have plans to have a little fun along the way. Be safe, be good to each other. Come back and see us again real soon. We're always looking for you.